Makita subcompact is very lightweight. I liked it. I like the speed, the gears that it has. I would use a tool like this for overhead driving screws. If we do this kind of work all the time, this would be a good tool for it. The brushless motor felt strong. It felt like the new way of going. All seriousness, I would use it at home. It's new, it's light, it looks awesome. I like the color.
In our trade, in any trade, time is of essence, so the faster it charges, the quicker I could swap batteries and get back to work. If it's interchangeable with every power tool I have, that's obviously convenient, so I don't have to have multiple chargers, multiple batteries.
It's very important that I have one battery and one charger that powers up multiple tools. All day long I switch off from an impact to a drill motor to a circular saw, and having one battery platform for all those tools is very important.
This compact drill fits in really tight space. It's got 18 volts. This particular battery is small, lightweight, makes this tool very versatile. If I need a longer battery life, I just grab the bigger battery. It's not too heavy on the bottom, so you're not working your wrist, and it's easy to navigate up into a tight spot.
The new assist mode is great. I can see the benefit all day long and all the different screws that we use. Not stripping them out. When they jam, the assist mode helps. You're not ruining bolts all day. The speed was there. The variable speed control gives us help for different situations. I would totally buy the Makita subcompact. It's smaller, it's lighter, power's there. It's still an 18-volt battery, but it's lighter and it's more compact, so it's easier to use.